Give you an idea of some of the totals here. I think we got close to 30 inches. That was the generator. I just ran it, turned the valve off so it could conk out. Here's the Batmo plow. So let the generator run out. You can see I had to do a lot of piling up here. All the snow's piled up. This and about another dozen driveways. Take a look at the backyard. I just used the snow blower to clear out an area for our little canine friends to go to the bathroom, because this is what they had to deal with prior to that. So I hit all this with the snow blower, and it is just piled up beyond the pool over there. Look at that table. Hello. So there it is. Blizzard of 2016. If I get some energy, I'll make this path a little bigger, but it's enough for the little doggies to go out. That's it. Another storm in the books. Look at that. Look at that snowbank. And I did this twice, because I did this during the blizzard too. So that was the second time.